Hello everyone, I Akanksha Mishra welcomes you all here at our YouTube channel TNB Academy. Imagine running a company with millions of dollars worth of assets. Machines, buildings, IT systems, vehicles, and one wrong decision from leadership leads to a shutdown. Sounds scary, right? That is the power of leadership in asset management. And that is where ISO 55001 comes in. In this session, we are diving deep into why leadership matters and how ISO 55001 can help leaders drive a smarter, safer, and more profitable asset management. Now let's discuss why leadership matters. Leadership isn't just about giving instructions. It is about vision, responsibility, and building systems that outlive individuals. In asset management, leadership determines whether assets are optimized or wasted, whether maintenance is proactive or reactive, and whether the organization grows or struggles. Think about it. A CEO's choice to invest in preventive maintenance instead of waiting for breakdowns can save millions. Understanding ISO 55001 basics. ISO 55001 is the international standard for asset management system. It provides a structured framework to manage assets effectively, whether physical, financial, informational, or even human assets. It aligns with three big questions every leader should ask. What assets do we own? What risks are attached to them? How do we maximize their value? But here is the kicker. ISO 55001 puts leadership at the center. Without leadership commitment, the standard is just a document. With leadership, it becomes a culture. Now let's talk about the role of leadership in asset management. In ISO 55001, leaders aren't passive observers. They define the asset management policy and objectives, allocate resources, drive continuous improvement, and ensure alignment between asset goals and organizational goals. For example, imagine a railway company with aging infrastructure. Without leadership, problems pile up, accidents happen, and customer trust collapses. With leadership, investments are prioritized, risks are managed, and service reliability improves. That is the difference leadership makes in ISO 55001. Leadership principles in ISO 55001. ISO 55001 emphasizes leadership through some key principles. Leaders must show commitment and actively participate, not just sign policies. They must ensure alignment so asset goals support business goals. They must take accountability for asset performance, communicate clearly with the stakeholders, and build a culture of reliability and sustainability. When leaders practice these principles, asset management transforms from a technical task to a strategic advantage. Challenges leaders face and the solutions for that. Leadership in asset management isn't easy. Some challenges include resistance to change, lack of awareness, budget constraints, and balancing short-term versus long-term priorities. ISO 55001 helps leaders overcome these issues by promoting risk-based decision-making, life cycle costing, and stakeholder engagement. The solution is consistency, clarity, and unwavering commitment from leadership. Now let's come to the future of asset management leadership. The future is evolving fast. Digital transformation, IoT, AI-driven predictive maintenance all demand smarter leadership. Leaders must be adaptable, tech-savvy, and sustainability-focused. ISO 55001 will evolve with time, but its foundation remains the same. Leadership shapes the future of assets. Organizations with a strong leadership will thrive, while others risk fading away. So here is the big takeaway. Leadership is the heartbeat of ISO 55001. Without leadership, asset management is just routine maintenance. With leadership, it becomes a growth engine. If you are a business leader, start by asking yourself, do we really know our assets? Are we maximizing their value? Are we aligning asset strategy with business strategy? Because in the end, leadership matters. Driving asset management with ISO 55001 isn't just about managing assets. It is about managing the future of your business. Thank you for joining me today. Let's build a world where assets create value, safety, and sustainability through the power of leadership. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next episode of TNB Academy.